Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I really low-key just want to sit here and let you just like look at the wig and then just cut straight to the video, because like what else do I really need to say? It's giving. It's giving. So this is what we're going to be reviewing today. She's here, she's beautiful, so let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Nadula Hair, and this is just what their packaging looks like. They even had some press-on nails in here, but let's get to the wig. So this is their Kinky Curly 13x4 lace front wig, and it has these coarse baby hairs, which are super cute, and they're gonna really help to make like the wig look super realistic. But I just wanted to come and show you what the texture looks like before I co-wash. The construction has combs on the side, a comb in the back, an adjustable strap that literally adjusts from one end to the other. So this is a glueless wig, and like I said, it is 13x4, and the density is pretty nice. I didn't have to do any plucking or anything like that. This is, like I said, 13x4, but that 4 going back is really giving 5, and we love that.
Okay, hold on girl, don't be falling off. So here is the wig after it has been co-washed and air dried. Get into this freaking texture, okay? It's so good. Look, they like kinky baby hairs. Love that. Love that. So if you like that whimsical baby hair look, you could do that with these. I mean, I guess you could do that with any wig, but like these are actually a little bit more like coarse, and they are curled and processed to be curled. So like they'll recurl again once you wash it. But yeah, so now I'm about to just get to styling this wig. This is gonna be an easy one. I'm gonna do a middle part for her because, you know, this is how I always like to wear these curly texture wigs. I feel like they just look the best on me in the middle part. So yeah, I'm about to get to styling. I'm just gonna add some foundation to the underside of the lace because, you know, I'm not bleaching no knots. And I think I might add some of these baby hairs, or I might leave them like this. I don't know, girl, because these are actually really cute. So I don't know. But yeah, let's get to styling.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Are you insane? This is absolutely gorgeous. I just will never get tired of this texture. Never. I will never tire of this texture. But let me tell you what makes this so good. First of all, this is a 13x4. So if you like to lay frontal, you'll love this wig. The lace is nice. The density is good. But the thing that I really like most is the little like coarser baby hair in the front. Well, not in the front, but across the lace in the front, because it's a lace front. But no, it is so good. It makes for such a more realistic look. Like, we already know the quality of the hair is good, right? I feel like Nadula always has good quality hair, so this hair quality is really good. It feels really, really nice. The curl pattern is popping. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave. It does not disappoint. But for me, the real seller is this kinky coarse baby hair, because I don't know if I can do it justice and articulate it good enough, but because for one, and I feel like this especially hits for me because I wear my wigs behind my hairline, so it really helps to make it look like this is growing out of my scalp, okay? Because for one, I have my own edges out, right? But then the little shorter pieces of hair are kind of already falling toward the front a little bit, right? So it looks like natural baby hair, and then I just slicked the pieces that were a little bit further up that were a little bit shorter. Like, that's what it looks like.
I love this. Like, do you see like these little hairs right here? Like, that's not my hair. That is the wig, but it looks like oh my gosh, it's so good.
But yeah, I really like this. I really love this idea. I don't know like where this came from, because you know everybody be stealing everything from everybody, so I really have no clue where. Something on my lip, girl, let me live. It's still there. Could I like finish what I'm doing? Yeah, everybody be stealing everything from everybody, so I really don't know where this originated from, but I love it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Like, listen, Linda, it's giving what a supposed to have gave. So I want to know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Once again, thanks to Nadula Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. If you are interested in the wig, I will have all the links to the wig and the company down in the description box, as I always do. So be sure to check that out. I'm gonna go. I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.